They got 16.
70.
17. 18.
Ano masabi mo pare?
Sayang, 1 seconds lang. Sayang.
Dito tayo ngayon sa sa Boot Locker. Ito na yung top 5.
What is up for grabs this afternoon here for our 3-point shootout? So let's take a look at our prizes. The second runner-up will receive 5,000 pesos. The first runner-up will win 10,000 pesos. And our grand champion will bring home 30,000 pesos. Alright, let's all give a big round of applause to Nike and Foot Locker. So guys, thank you for joining us this afternoon. And it's going to be an unforgettable shootout, I'm sure. And now it's time to welcome and introduce our top 5 finalists. You
Yeah, top 5.
see your names up there as well. So a huge congratulations for making it to the final round. So now let's give a big round of applause to our finalists. First up, we got Jordan Lim. Jordan, he's here. We also have Melvin Renacido. Congratulations. Third finalist, Andrew Behead. Next up, fourth finalist, Robert Dimacao. Last but not the least, Aurelio Asil. Alright, these are the top sharpshooters of the Foot Locker Nike 30-point shootout. And we're thrilled to see you guys compete in the final round. Alright, so now that you guys have had a chance to catch your breath, it's time to determine who will be crowned the grand winner for today's 30-point shootout. But first, here's a quick refresher on the rules of the grand finals. So like the first round, we got 4 racks with 5 regular balls each, plus 1 special rack. As you can see, our balls are black balls over there. That's our money ball rack. 1 minute and 15
Bro,
seconds each.
sige ko. Ay, ihiga ko. Ay, ito lang, direct lang.
Final say, if the shot is good. And tiebreaker, I contestant will shoot again for 40 seconds, and we will repeat that until one winner is determined.
Wow,
After
simula
that,
na.
we will have our second runner-up,
Simula na.
first runner-up, and of course, our grand champion winning a whopping 30,000 pesos if you win our Nike Foot Locker 3-point shootout. So guys, all you people have 5 warm-up shots.
Si ano mo, si Ike Tam, ang nagtitira. Ike Tam.
Players, are you ready? One more time. Players, are you guys ready? All right, let's find out who will claim the title of grand winner in the Foot Locker Nike.
No, magbaan na, magbaan.
All right, let's get our first contestant up on deck. We got Jordan Lim.
Good,
Yeah,
good.
we'll shoot out Jordan in the name, in the mix. Go 1 minute 15 seconds for Jordan.
1 point,
Good job goes in. 1. Ooh,
2 points,
1 point.
3 points, 3 points.
That's 3. Oh, Jordan suddenly got high. 4 on the board. Another one goes in. You feeling it? Oh yeah, that's a good rack. He's on a roll, guys. That's a shooting show by Jordan. 3 out of 5. Here's a money ball rack. This is it. Oh, hits the first one. He's up to 12. 14. Money ball. Oh, there it goes. 16. You got to put on the pressure for everyone here in the finals. That's good. 18. Last one. Oh,
18
yes.
points, 18. Ay,
Great
hawak ko, hawak ko. Hawak ko eh.
On the day, we got Melvin Renacido.
1 point.
For the beat so far, 17. Melvin, 2 for 2. Good start here. All right, Melvin. 3 out of 5 for that first rack. 18 is the score of Gordon Lim. That's the missing score to beat.
18 pala, 18 ang score to beat.
Oh, that's not good, right? Here's a money ball for Melvin. Oh, he likes the spot. That's super two for the money ball rack. 3 for 3. Oh, missing that fourth one. 3 out of 5 for the money ball. Still a lot of
9
time.
points siya.
They'll catch up. 18 is the score to beat.
12.
There you go. He's up to 12. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
13 points.
13. Still catch up. I thought about it. Still some time.
13 points pa rin.
5 seconds. Last 2 shots. 2. Walter Beer. Oh, that last one doesn't count.
13 points, 13 points.
Is 12.
Ayan na, si Andrew Nenex. Paring Andrew na. Si Idolo TV na, si Idolo TV Nenex.
93-point shootout. Well, we like some money ball at the last track. All right, first track.
Pwede, oh.
Let's welcome
Ayan na, si paring
our
Andrew.
third finalist for the 30-point shootout, Andrew Vian.
Ayan na, si paring Andrew na. Idolo TV. Manibol agad yung una.
And there you go, Andrew. Your 1 minute 15 starts. First one goes in.
4 points.
Out of 3. That's a good money ball rack. Oh, that goes in. 6 from the money ball rack for Andrew.
7. 8.
He working so hard in the second one. 7 points.
8 points, 8 points. 9 points, 9 points.
23 seconds remaining, Andrew.
10,
9, I think that's 10.
11.
Oh, he's got it right now. Still a lot of time for Andrew.
11 points, 11. 12,
12.
13,
13. Score to beat is 18.
14.
He's not a lot of time.
15, 16 points.
For Andrew, he's at 15. They got 16.
17,
17. 18. Oh man, the last shot doesn't count.
18 points. Pareha, 18.
He's high, Jordan Lim at the leaderboard at 18.
18, pre.
Alright. We're gonna have a tiebreaker. Nobody breaks this 18.
Wala, si Kuya Robert. Robert,
Robert,
di makapaw. Pang-apat sa top 5. Score to beat 18.
Won't start here. Nothing yet coming here for Robert. Empty on the first rack. So a lot of time to catch up. There you go. That's his first point. So far, 1 for Robert, 2. Let's see if that gets it going. This is money ball rack. Nothing again from the money ball rack.
4,
There you go. Gets 2.
6,
That's 2 shots. Oh.
8 points, 8 points, 8 points.
That's a lot of shots there from the money ball from Robert. He's up to 8. And we still have a second runner, first runner up. There's still some time here. 19 seconds, Robert. Watch the clock. Take your time. Last 3 balls. There you go. Represent 11. One more. He gets 12.
12 points.
This is 12 for Robert.
18, 18, 12 Si Ariel na ulit titira. Last but... Pare, ano masabi mo, pare? Ano masabi mo, pare?
Sayang, 1 seconds lang. Sayang.
Let's see it for last few hits and break point 18.
18 ang ano, dalawang 18, dalawang 12. Pag naka-19 si Ariel, siya ang panalo ng 30,000.
Let's welcome our fifth and final finalist, Aurelio Acid.
2 points.
2, Aurelio.
3 points.
Round 5 in the first round.
4 points.
Acid. Poison.
5 points.
Pretty well.
6 points.
6 points for Aurelio. Moneyball wrap.
8 points.
There's the quarter wrap, guys.
10 points.
Got through from the moneyball.
10 points. 10 points.
And for Aurelio, goes to 9,
11.
11,
12.
12.
13 points. 13. 14. 15.
15. And Aurelio
16.
16 points.
16 points. 16 points. 16 points. 16. Ariel, 16.
He's going to go
16.
officially to third place.
Third place na si Ariel. Third place.
Shootout.
Third
Between
place.
our top two
Third place.
here in the finals. Between 40
Yel, yel. Yel, yel, yel. Pre. Pre.
Aurelio will get 40 seconds.
Good.
And our last two will be Jordan Lim and Andrew.
Ayan, may tiebreaker para sa ano, first and second. 18. Para sa 18.
18. And right now, they're going
Para
to
sa
be
18.
shooting
Laban to.
for 30,000 pesos here at our Nike Foot Locker 3-point shootout. It's going to be an exciting finish here, guys. We wouldn't want it any other way. It has to be a tiebreaker for the grand prize of 30,000 pesos.
Tiebreaker to para sa 30,000.
Again, rules of the finals, 40 seconds each for our shooters.